Building a luxury capsule wardrobe. 15 timeless pieces worth the money. Welcome to the ultimate guide on building a luxury capsule wardrobe, your pathway to timeless style and sophistication. Today, we'll explore 15 must-have pieces that are worth every penny. These are the items that define a capsule wardrobe: versatile, high quality, and classic. They're investments, not just in fashion, but in confidence and ease of dressing. 1. The perfect white shirt. A crisp white shirt is the cornerstone of every capsule wardrobe. It's chic, simple, and endlessly versatile. Whether you pair it with tailored trousers for the office or denim jeans for a casual outing, this piece never fails to deliver. When choosing your white shirt, focus on fabric and fit. Opt for high-quality cotton or silk and ensure it complements your body shape. Brands like Ralph Lauren, Brooks Brothers, or The Row offer timeless options that will last for years. 2. Tailored trousers. Tailored trousers bring an air of elegance to any look. They can be paired with a blazer for a professional appearance or a sweater for relaxed chic. Invest in well-made trousers with precise tailoring and premium fabrics like wool, crepe, or twill. Neutral colors such as black, navy, or beige ensure maximum versatility. 3. Timeless jewelry pieces. Jewelry isn't just an accessory, it's a symbol of timeless elegance. A pair of diamond studs, a delicate gold chain, or a classic pearl necklace can instantly elevate any outfit. Think of jewelry as an investment. Brands like Tiffany & Company, Cartier, and Bulgari are renowned for their craftsmanship and enduring value. These pieces are not only stylish, but also heirlooms to cherish for generations. The resale value of high-quality jewelry often appreciates over time, making it a smart financial and style decision. 4. The silk scarf. The silk scarf is the epitome of versatility. It's a small detail that adds a big impact to your look, whether tied around your neck, used as a bag accessory, or worn as a headband. Invest in scarves from brands like Hermes or Gucci. Their intricate designs and vibrant colors make them collector's items, as well as fashion staples. Plus, they're an easy way to incorporate a pop of color into your neutral wardrobe. The iconic Hermes scarf has graced everyone from royalty to Hollywood stars, cementing its place as a luxury must-have. 5. The statement coat. A statement coat is the ultimate outerwear piece. It sets the tone for your outfit and ensures you're dressed impeccably, even when it's the only thing people see. Whether it's a timeless camel trench or a vibrant wool coat, the key is quality tailoring. Look for brands like Max Mara, Burberry, or Prada, known for their craftsmanship and style. A good coat can last decades, making it a worthy investment. 6. Watches. A timeless investment. A watch is more than a timepiece. It's a statement of sophistication and taste. Whether you prefer the classic appeal of a Rolex or the elegance of a Cartier tank, a luxury watch elevates your style effortlessly. Look for watches with timeless designs and exceptional craftsmanship. A gold or stainless steel watch pairs perfectly with both casual and formal attire. It's an investment that holds its value and becomes a part of your legacy. Regular maintenance and servicing ensure your watch stays in pristine condition, adding to its longevity and value. 7. The little black dress. The little black dress is iconic for a reason. It's endlessly versatile and always appropriate. Whether you're attending a gala or going on a date, this piece adapts to every occasion. Opt for a style that flatters your figure, like an A-line or sheath. Add accessories to change the vibe. Pearls for classic elegance or bold jewelry for modern flair. 8. Premium denim. Not all denim is created equal. Premium jeans offer better fits, fabrics, and finishes that elevate your everyday style. Look for dark washes and classic cuts like straight leg or slim fit for maximum versatility. 9. The leather belt. A leather belt is more than a functional item. It's a style statement. A well-made belt can define your waist, add polish to your look, and even act as a subtle luxury detail. Invest in belts from brands like Hermes or Gucci. A reversible belt offers 2 looks in one, making it a smart choice for a capsule wardrobe. Choose neutral colors like black or brown for maximum versatility. 10. The cashmere sweater. A cashmere sweater is the epitome of cozy luxury. Its softness and warmth make it perfect for layering, while its timeless appeal ensures it never goes out of style. Neutral shades like grey, navy, or cream work best, as they pair effortlessly with jeans, skirts, or trousers. Look for brands like Loro Piana or Vince for quality cashmere that lasts. 11th. Structured handbag. A structured handbag is a luxury investment that combines form and function. Choose classic styles in neutral colors for a piece that complements every outfit. Brands like Hermès, Chanel, and Louis Vuitton are timeless for a reason. Their bags not only enhance your style, but often appreciate in value over time. 12th. Classic pumps. Every capsule wardrobe needs a pair of classic pumps. Whether in black leather or nude patent, they're the perfect finishing touch to any outfit. Look for brands like Christian Louboutin or Jimmy Choo, known for their comfort and elegance. A 3-inch heel is ideal for versatility and all-day wear. 13. The oversized blazer. The oversized blazer has become a modern-day wardrobe essential. While it draws inspiration from menswear, it's been reimagined to exude a chic and polished vibe for any outfit. Whether you're heading to a boardroom meeting, brunch with friends, or a casual outing, this versatile piece instantly elevates your look. What makes an oversized blazer so special is its ability to combine comfort and sophistication. Its relaxed fit allows for layering during cooler months, and its structured design adds polish to even the simplest outfit. 14. The trench coat. The trench coat is a timeless symbol of sophistication and practicality. Born from its military origins, it has become a staple for those who value style and utility. With its sleek silhouette, belted waist, and versatile fabric, the trench coat flatters every body type and adds an air of elegance to any ensemble. This coat is perfect for transitional weather. It provides just the right amount of coverage for spring showers or autumn breezes, while still being light enough to layer over sweaters or blazers. The classic beige or camel trench is a must-have, but navy and black options also make for smart choices. 15. Sunglasses. Sunglasses are not just a practical accessory, they're the ultimate symbol of glamour and mystery. A well-chosen pair of sunglasses not only protects your eyes from harmful UV rays, but also serves as the perfect finishing touch to your outfit. Classic styles like aviators, wayfarers, and oversized frames never go out of fashion. Aviators add a touch of cool, wayfarers bring a timeless edge, and oversized frames exude old Hollywood glamour. Choosing the right pair for your face shape is key to ensuring they flatter you. Building a luxury capsule wardrobe is about investing in pieces that serve you for years to come. These 15 timeless items are the foundation of a wardrobe that's not just stylish, but smart. Which piece is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury living tips. See you next time. A slow pan of the capsule wardrobe with soft music and the channel's logo appearing on screen.